Welcome back to our 2-minute tutorial series to help you get started with Fabpilot. In this video, I'll show you how to apply optimizations to your files right in Fabpilot. So we'll start with the My Projects module, and I'm going to select the bracket file that is included with the sample project in every trial instance. On the right side in Configuration, I'll set the material to PA12, and then click on Optimize. So the first tool we have is hollowing. Let's toggle this on. We can see we have some advanced settings to specify the wall thickness, or add holes, which will let me remove powder. We can use our cutaway tool to see the inside and see the hollowing that's taken place. Now let's take a look at Lattice Generation. So I'll remove the hollowing and revert to our original file. For Lattice Generation, you can specify the parameters for wall thickness, branch radius, and cell size. Let's use the cutaway tool to review the internal structure. And here it is again from another angle. So the last optimization we have is thickening. To really show this off, I'll open a file that's quite fragile. With the solidity check tool, we can see that this part is way too thin to be printed. Now we can simply click Thicken Design. We can now see that the part is solid enough to be printed. So there you have the optimization tools that come with every Fabpilot license. Let us know what you think in the comments section, and don't forget to watch our other 2-minute tutorials.